Here's a 2017 Lexus NX. By combining intuitive technology with a design that is aggressive outside and comforting inside, this NX takes the crossover beyond utility. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its class-best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.